IP addressing, class A 0 to 126. Number of IP addresses is 2 to the power of 31. Class B 10 to 128 to 191. Number of IP addresses is 2 to the power of 30. Class C 110 to 192 to 223. Number of IP addresses is 2 to the power of 29. Class D 1110 to 224 to 239. Number of IP addresses is 2 to the power of 28. Class E 1111 to 240 to 255. Number of IP addresses is 2 to the power of 28. Default subnet mask, Class A 255.0.0.0, Class B 255.255.0.0, Class C 255.255.255.0.
Private addresses range 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255, which is one Class A network. 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, which is 16 Class B networks. 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255, which is 256 Class C networks.
Class, number of networks and number of hosts per network. Class A 2 to the power of 7 minus 2 equals 126. 2 to the power of 24 minus 2 equals 16,777,214 hosts. Class B 2 to the power of 14 equals 16,384. 2 to the power of 16 minus 2 equals 65,534 hosts. Class C 2 to the power of 21 equals 2,097,125. 2 to the power of 8 minus 2 equals 254 hosts. Class D no network ID and host ID. All 28 remaining bits are used to define multicast address. Class E no network ID and host ID. It is meant for research and future purposes.
Note: the IP address 127.x.y.z is known as the loop-back address, and it is used to check the connectivity.
1.4 Types of communication. Unicast communication, one-to-one. Broadcast communication, one-to-all. Multicast communication, one-to-many. 1.5 Unicast communication. Transmitting the data from one computer to another computer is called unicast communication. It is one-to-one transmission. In unicast communication, both source and destination can be either present in the same network or in different networks. Let's talk about broadcast communication. Limited broadcasting is transmitting data from one computer to all other computers in the same network. The limited broadcast address is 255.255.255.255. A limited broadcast address can't be used as a source IP address. It will always be used as a destination IP. Now, direct broadcasting is transmitting data from one computer to all other computers in a different network. Just like with limited broadcasting, the direct broadcast address can't be used as a source IP address. It will always be used as a destination IP. When we talk about NID and HID, zeros represent the network ID, and ones represent the direct broadcast address, or DBA. Ones and ones together represent the limited broadcast address, or LBA. Zeros followed by anything represent a host within the network, and ones followed by zeros represent the network mask or subnet mask. Alright, moving on to multicast communication. Transmitting a packet from one computer to many computers, 0 or more, is called multicast communication.
CIDR rules. First, all the IP addresses in the block must be contiguous. Second, the block size must be a power of 2. And third, the first IP address of the block must be divisible by the size of the block. Supernetting. The process of combining two or more networks to get a single network is called supernetting.
Advantage of supernetting: 1. Supernetting reduces routing table entries. 2. The router will take less time for processing the packet. And 3. It improves the flexibility of IP address allotment. For example, if someone requires 500 addresses, then there's no need to purchase a Class B network. We can combine 2 Class C networks. Rules of supernetting. First, the network ID must be contiguous. Second, the size of the network must be the same, and the number of networks must be a power of 2. And third, the first network ID must be divisible by the size of the supernet.